Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in the workshop today and I have here this inverter welder. This one here, it says it's a stick welder, arc, lift, TIG welding, whatever it can do, all those things I guess. So let's see what we got here in the box. So here we go, in the box we have this part here and stuff. We have the wire for it to work. We have the inverter here. Sorry, I'm doing it one-handed. But this is it here. It is by DOMHOAI. Okay, there's everything out of the box. Look at the box here. Okay, and here is the instruction manual here. Instructions it comes with. So this is the wire here. It comes with the little contraption for it there. And what is in this box here? We have some welding gloves. We've got a pair of welding gloves. We got a brush. We got some brazing sticks here. Those are the things that we use to weld. And then we have, I guess, a strap so we can connect it onto there and carry it around. This is what it looks like here right now. And so we are gonna set this thing up and I'll show you it in use in a minute. Okay, so here we are using it, and you can see there's all sorts of different settings on there. We kind of pushed a bunch of buttons, but figured out eventually which one is going to make it go, and I guess it was this one here. And then you'll see here we are welding, and it does give a good spark, and it came with some of these welding rods. It came with some gloves, so you can see them in the box over there. We're not actually wearing those. My guy just likes his particular gloves that he has. But you'll see here, we have a horribly painted plate, but we were able to get it welded on, and it works great. That totally does what it needs to do, and super portable and great. This is going to be our new one we take with us places.